Cachar Bulbul. The Cachar Bulbul is a species of songbird endemic to northeastern India and southeastern Bangladesh. It was previously considered a subspecies of the olive bulbul but was reclassified as a separate species in 2017. A small, drab bulbul is nearly uniform bronzy olive above and duller olive below, with bright yellow on the central throat and belly. It measures approximately 23 centimeters in length and weighs around 30 grams. The crown is rufescent and slightly crested, with pointed feathers that create longitudinal furrows. The lores and short eyebrow are olive yellow, while the ear-coverts are dark olive. The remainder of the head and upper plumage, all the way to the rump, is olive green. The upper tail-coverts and tail are rather bright rufous-brown, and the sides of the neck are olive brown. Below, it is duller olive, with bright yellow on the central throat and belly. The under tail-coverts are pale tan, and the wings are dark brown, with wing coverts and inner secondaries broadly edged with rufescent olive brown. The remaining feathers are narrowly edged with rufescent olive brown. They are inhabiting subtropical and tropical forests, including montane and lowland areas, favoring dense vegetation and forest edges. It is commonly found in regions with abundant fruiting trees, which provide its primary food sources. These bulbuls are often observed in pairs or small groups, foraging for fruits, berries, and insects. Their behavior includes hopping through the underbrush and occasionally feeding on the ground. Regarding conservation status, the Cachar Bulbul is currently classified as a species of least concern by the IUCN, indicating that it does not face immediate threats to its population. Thank you for watching. For more video, please feel free to like and subscribe.